Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that how we can use ChatGPT-4 Turbo version, and we will also see that how ChatGPT-4 Turbo version is better than ChatGPT-4 Plus version and ChatGPT-3 version. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. So let's move to the video. So you have to open the Microsoft Edge browser and you have to type copilot.microsoft.com, and after typing it you have to hit the enter button, and here you can see that Copilot, your everyday AI companion, is opened. First you have to sign into this website. I'm going to sign in here, sign in with a personal account. Okay, you have to mention your Outlook or Hotmail email ID. You have to mention your password. And if you do not have any Outlook email ID, you can create Hotmail or Outlook email ID. So here I have opened the copilot.microsoft.com website. So what's new to this Copilot, which is not previously available in ChatGPT Plus, which you have to pay $20 to use ChatGPT Plus, and as you know, ChatGPT 3 is free. But something is new in Copilot. Like if you click on the plugins option, you will see that there's an option of search here, and you have to click uh, on button, so you can enhance your search with the power of the web, including news, multimedia, shopping, and more. So what's new? This Copilot will help you in searching and all other things. Like ChatGPT 3 provides you information in searching till September 2021. And if you are using ChatGPT 4 Plus version, which is available in with $20, you will search till the January 22. But in ChatGPT 4 Turbo version, which is available through copilot.microsoft.com, you can search the information till April 2023. So if I ask this Copilot, who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and let's see whether it can provide us information or not. Okay, so I have pressed the enter button, and let's see, it's searching. The current Prime Minister of Pakistan is Inawar al Kakad, and he's serving as the caretaker Prime Minister. As Inawar al Kakad is serving caretaker Prime Minister since August 2023, this information is latest one. So the copilot.microsoft.com website has ChatGPT 4 Turbo version, which is totally free, and you can use this ChatGPT as compared to ChatGPT 4 Plus and ChatGPT 3. I hope you will like this video. You can search more things, like if you want to create like images you want to create, if you want to ask this Copilot to read an image, you can upload an image here and you ask the relevant question. So that's the whole Copilot ChatGPT 4 Turbo version. You can use this to create, travel, laugh, compare, organize, chat, and make a song with Sono. So do not forget to subscribe the channel. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching.